Hi, my name is Raymond and I'm from Indonesia. Now I'm studying in Tamkang University as a junior student.
Hi, I'm Alicia, and I'm a college student. I'm going to be a third year student next fall. And I was born in Taichung, but I currently live in California.
我是吴冠珍，然后现在目前就读中正大学财务金融学系，准备要升4年级。
Hi, I'm Elvis. I come from the Dominican Republic, and I'm a senior student at National Tonghua University in Hualien.
Hi, my name is Tristan. I was born in the United States, but I lived in Taiwan during my elementary and middle school years. I'm currently a rising junior studying computer science at Stanford University.
我在这里实习不到1个月。
I've been working here for about 3 weeks.
我目前在这里担任实习工程师，实习时间为2周。
I match customers' needs to our company's applications and services.
I'm working here as Industrial Internet of Things intern, and I also work as Operation Technology, which is my job is handle the operation in the field.
我目前的工作是负责 Web 以及 App 的前端开发。
那目前主要的工作项目有，就是办公室的维运，去看每天 Smart Screen 是否就是运作正常。第二个是制作公司产品的影片，去介绍，然后还有去介绍他们如何操作，像是 JBuilder 啊、FBuilder， 让客户还有企业端能够更迅速的了解公司的产品。
公司的环境非常棒，老板也都很放心的让我们选择各种的主题去研究，而且大力支持我们。
For us engineering interns, I think the work environment is actually quite lively and motivating. We get our own room for starters, and I think that I have a lot of freedom in determining what projects I want to pursue and what topics I want to participate more in.
I think environment in this office is diverse. So there's a lot of people come from other countries like from America and the others.
我觉得在这边工作还蛮弹性的，然后其实也有很多自学的空间。那因为我们办公室是在世贸的这一栋里面，所以常常会有很多的展览来这边参展。那所以在展览期间的时候，我们有时候星期五下午都可以去逛这些展览，所以也还蛮有趣的。
Regarding the advantages, we have a nice bonus system. Usually the boss asks you to do something and you will get maybe 1, 2, or 3,000 NT dollars. I think it's a very good advantage because the things that he asks to me particularly are not very challenging and can be done maybe in a few days.
Free snack every afternoon.
公司最大的优点应该是可以跟主管们进行沟通以及讨论，不需要经过繁琐的程序。再来，我们会用 Telegram 进行联络，甚至可以远端上班。
Another one would be working with interns that are around my age. We get along really well, and I really appreciate the bonding that we share. And the last one would be kind of the interdepartmental nature of the company, which allows an IoT intern such as myself to be able to learn more about topics like marketing or sales or human resources and just how the entire business functions as a whole as well.
我希望在这份实习之后，可以更了解云端产业或是科技产业，并且去累积以及学习更多如何去做 B to B 业务，然后以及怎么样去对公司端或者是客户端的应对能力。
Also, I have learned about team collaboration because usually in university, maybe you have a team, but people don't really care about it because they don't really care about their grades. However, here, if you do a good job with your team, you can impress your boss and get like a bonus. So people are much more motivated to collaborate.
我会想要再次回来 WebP Cloud，就是希望可以把之前未完成的专题再做结束，然后并且延伸它，然后并将它实际的上线，变成一个可运行公开运行的服务。
I learned about a lot of new technologies here. For example, I learned how to use Node.js to build a Telegram bot, and I also learned how to use Node.js to build websites.